Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, traction control. Inside you'll find air conditioning third row independent controls, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, airbags front passenger seat cushion, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, center console with lighting, touch sensitive controls.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.